Yo, y'all know who it is. Tony from Stick With Us Delivery Service. Hey, we about to chop it up today, man. Go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, turn on your notifications. You feel me? Because Tony from Stick With Us, we got another video for y'all, man. Look, this video right here, I'm going to take it back to how I got started, and then I'm going to bring it back into today. So right now, today, I've been in this business for 6 years. I started off with one cargo van. I'm now a fleet owner. I also have my own dispatching company. I also have several brand deals with some of your favorite apps, some of your favorite medical carrier companies, even Shell gas station. So if you all want to save money with the Shell's Fuel Rewards card, I'll leave that link at the bottom of the description if you all want to save on gas. This is truly a blessing, man, where I'm at today. I put so much work into this, and I really just never complain. In order to be successful in life, a lot of people don't know what happens behind the scenes. A lot of people don't understand how much work someone put into their own craft or in a business. You have to pour a lot of yourself in this business to reap the rewards that you can reap out of this business. There's a lot of rewards in this business. So when I first got started, right, back in 2019, it's crazy, right? Because the first thing I did, and it's crazy, was I learned how to dispatch before I had a cargo van, before I had box trucks, before I did anything, even before even getting with some medical companies and doing deliveries with that as well. I learned how to dispatch, and me learning how to dispatch really opened my eyes up to this business. Because on one hand, you find out how much the driver is making, how much you're booking the load for, and on the other hand, you find out how much you get paid as a dispatcher. So it's really like finding out the best of both worlds and figuring out, how you want to do it and how you want to go about this. For me, that was the beauty of this game. I was able to see both sides starting off in the business. Right away, I was very intrigued. I was like, you know what? This is something I want to do. Fast forward, I had got a job working for a company, and it's crazy, right? Someone just noticed me on TikTok and asked me, hey, you used to work for such and such company? And I'm gonna do a video about that too. I'm gonna make sure I do a video about that. So long story short, I started driving box trucks. That was the first thing I did. I started driving box trucks, got familiar with that. At the same time, I'm still learning the dispatching. I was taking the dispatch course. I actually, shout out to Phil, who is my assistant to this day. She introduced me to this dispatch course, but it was mainly for semi trucks. It wasn't for cargo vans and box trucks. So fast forward, I had to learn, how to do it for cargo vans and box trucks. So it's almost like I had to take the knowledge I have, because the trucking business is all pretty much almost the same, even though the cargo van business is a little different. So what I ended up doing, I ended up getting a second course to get further information than the first course that I got. And man, when I tell y'all I learned so much, and I'm gonna show y'all how God worked, right? The first company I got, what I would never forget, it was a company out of New York, a company called Coast to Coast. They're not in business anymore, but it was called Coast to Coast, and there was a guy named Dave. Shout out to Dave, man. Dave, you don't even know, bro. If you watching this video, you was a huge part of where I'm at today, bro. You literally changed my life, man, because if it wasn't for you, bro, just imagine you all getting with your first company, right? And when you get with dispatch companies, they're gonna dispatch the loads for you. You know what I'm saying? And then they take their percentage and they pay you all the rest of the money. But Dave was such a stand-up guy, man. What Dave did, Dave said, Tony, let me ask you a question. He said, do you know how to dispatch? I couldn't believe he was asking me that question. After I already done took two dispatching courses, I said, yes, I know how to dispatch. Dave said, I'm going to give you my login to select this load board. Book all the loads you want, just give me 5%. I don't even care if you book loads for other cargo vans. When I tell y'all, that was such a huge gift. Like, that was just, I mean, I'm speechless for what Dave did for me. So, Dave, if you watching this, man, I don't know if you remember me, man, Tony Frith, bro. I appreciate you, man, like, for real, bro, because you didn't have to do that. And a lot of companies won't do that, you know. So I was able to see exactly what I was making because I'm booking my own loads. I started making my own money. When I tell y'all I hit the ground running, I hit the ground running. Because you got to remember, I had nothing. So when I seen I had an opportunity to make money, and it was legit money, and I'm able to see the money that I'm making, I became addicted to making the money. I'm just like, yo, I'm going to make all the money I can make. All I got to do is book this load, go pick up this freight, scrap it down, get it from point A to point B, and then get another one and repeat this cycle over and over again. Man, look, I was in disbelief that this is all I had to do. In disbelief, y'all. Like, no cap. I was in disbelief, yo. And I tell y'all, my first 6 months, I did like $75,000. And mind you, this is a new business. I knew about the box truck business and using my personal vehicle to make money. I didn't know about the cargo van business. I had to truly learn the cargo van side of the business. But man, when I got into this business, man, and started making this money, it's been truly life-saving. It's been a huge change. And I just had a guy 21 years old. Shout out to Jordan out of Tennessee, man. Jordan hit me yesterday and said, hey, Tony, man, I just want to thank you. God damn, you gonna let me get over? These people drive so crazy. Sorry about that, y'all. You know, I'm in Florida. They drive crazy in Florida, man. They don't even let you get over in Florida. They don't even care if you about to run out of the road. They ain't gonna let you get over. That's Florida for you. But long story short, man, shout out to Jordan, man. Jordan hit me up. He say he only been with me about 2 months. He say, man, when I first started, I was 20 years old. I'm 21. He say, Tony, in 38 days, I've been able to net $10,000 because of you and what you taught me and the connections you linked me with. And for me to hear a 21-year-old young man out of Tennessee. So Jordan, if you're watching this, huge shout out to you, bro. Imagine you 21 years old and you just put $10,000 in your pocket. Not gross, that was net that went into your pocket at 21. That was amazing. So like I was saying, man, I hit the ground running because I learned how to dispatch first. And that's something that I'm starting to be really big on, is making sure I teach you all how to dispatch loads. Dispatching is extremely important, and I feel like everybody needs to learn how to dispatch loads. It's just really that important. So what I'm doing coming up on March 1st, so if you're watching this video on March 1st, I'm hosting my first class of the year. So I'm hosting a cargo van and a dispatching masterclass, and I'm also going to start it off with the medical carrier business for people with personal vehicles, because a lot of you all been asking me how to start a medical carrier business. So you all about to get the best of all worlds inside of this class I'm going to be doing on March 1st. What I want you all to do right now, stop what you're doing or wait till after the video, either one. Where it says more at the bottom of the description, click that, and the link for the class will be right there. And if y'all know me and y'all know how I do my classes, y'all know I always have a lot of giveaways in my classes. So there will be a lot of giveaways. Y'all know I like to show love. You know I like to bless people. So all I'm going to tell you is you just be one of the lucky winners when you be inside this class. But we're going to go over everything. I'm going to share my screen. That way you all can see how to apply for these companies, see what companies to apply with. I'm going to even share my screen on the load board, show you all how you can bid on the load right there inside the class. I'm going to show you all on how much you need to be bidding on loads depending on where you live at in the United States. Because depending on where you live at, the rates are different in all different regions. You can be Upper East Coast, you can be Midwest, you can be Southeast, you can be West Coast, you can be anywhere. So wherever you at, I'm gonna teach you all. How to bid and what to bid on inside of this class, man. So I'm looking forward to helping you all get up and running. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I always tell y'all, stick with us. We truly got you. Yeah.